Since search, interface, folder, back office, and go-to have already been discussed before, in this video we will discuss the remaining part of the menu bar. If you want to create company, vendor, client, visa, lead, task, service case, deal, and activity, then you can click on the Create Plus and select the item you want to create. Then it will take you to the Create page of the item, which was already discussed in the List subsection of the Go-To section of the menu bar. You can also invite anyone you know by clicking on Share, and this box will pop up on your screen with the referral link, which you can copy and share with your contacts, agents, and on your social media to earn commissions on sales together. Just follow the instructions on the box. Next is the access code button. If you are an agent or a normal user that is not a super admin, then you will need the access code of other companies to access their account. When you click on the button, it will show you the access code to your company. Suppose you are an agent under any company and you need to access another company. So you click on your company name and select another company. Then this box will appear on your screen, which tells you to contact an authorized member of that company for the access code, which you then need to input here and click Submit to access the other company, and click Check to access the other company. Then this box will appear on your screen, which tells you to contact an authorized member of that company for the access code, which you then need to input here and click Check to access the other company. Next to access code, you will see the bell icon where you can check your notifications. And next to that, you will see your username. You can access your profile information page, check messages and subscription packages, and even log out from your account here.